deck. May parabolic design din doon. And below, Maracuyo Cafe, they serve rice bowls naman po. And if we want to have some snacks like popcorns, ice cream, fries, we have the Muni Muni po doon. Below lang po siya ng Maracuyo Cafe. And here, the Gitap Amphitheater po yan. If we love reading books, we can read there po sa my painting. This part here, Samyu Garden na po. And at Samyu Garden, we will experience a long tree walk, 50-meter long tree walk. And we will see a man-made waterfalls. Picnic grounds, picnic huts din po. 7, 8, 9, magkakatabi lang po so we can easily just walk. And if we want to buy some souvenirs ng Mount Kawitong, doon po tayo sa may Kalumpir shop. Kids naman po, they can play po sa may Dalisay. And as adults, we can play a half human size chess apart po siya ng may kahita. And if we love hiking, we also have hiking trail. Dito din po siya sa Kahilom. Easy, intermediate, and hard po siya. As for the easy and intermediate, it takes 20 to 30 minutes. Yung hard naman po, 1 hour na po yun. And with the assist na po kayo ng mga swimmers. Pwede naman po tayo na sarili lang po natin ng 20 to 30 minutes without the assistant of our swimmers. Doon na po sa hard, i-assist po tayo. As for the club car, it's for free, but for now, we mainly prioritize seniors, persons with special needs, pregnant mothers with their infants. So here in Mount Kamisong, let us enjoy walking down and going up. Yun lang. Any questions? If there's none, Happy New Year and
New Year.
Merry Christmas.